There's always things new to talk about with so many tax changes and pension rule changes, and something very exciting that's new as well that I'll hang on to for a moment. I often frame my presentations as IPP RCA, why now? Or what's changed? And I'm going to share with you why it's so important to look at these solutions now. The other theme I want to share with you is that I think the industry's done a poor job, the IPP RCA industry, in talking too much about the technical details of how it works and not about the solutions it provides. Because at the end of the day, we're going to get together with the advisor, their client, and their accountant and explain the mechanics they need to know. But what you really need to know to open the door is what solution this is providing for you and for your client. And so we're going to focus on that. In fact, I've got this quick summary here, and we'll come back to this slide to make sure we cover most, if not all, of the points. But these are the key solutions that the IPP provides for business owners and incorporated professionals. And I'm going to focus on the higher wealth accumulation and the tax savings, as well as the flexibility and the intergenerational wealth transfer. But there's many other solutions. Almost every client we meet with the help of their tax accountant, we discover new solutions that we had seems like nobody had ever thought of before. So it's been a lot of fun. I think when we talk to clients, the advisor and their tax accountant, we are asking as many questions as they're asking as us. So we learn a lot, and every time is almost like a new set of solutions for us. So we'll try to share some of that in today's presentation. So the very basics of the IPP, and I've sold IPPs just on this slide alone. It shows the higher contributions relative to an RSP. So you can see a 65-year-old can put in more than $20,000 more than an RSP. It's about 29% of their income, up to the maximum of 187,000 in 2025. A 60-year-old can put in about 26% of their T4 income, up to 187,000. So you can see the older you get, the better the IPP gets in terms of contributions. Now, this is just this year's contributions. There's also the ability to go back in time and buy past service and retroactively pick up these higher contributions relative to the RSP in prior years. So past service is a very important part of this.